Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Premier in Rhode Island on this Ranger RCI X9. Premier, we got you ready to go with this Premier radio. All the modifications, wideband transmit receive, all my audio mods, the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Get your high cut filter over here, your 10 kilohertz switch. Okay, let's get right to it. I'm gonna start with the R power all the way down. Get set about 3 watts all the way down. That way, if you decide to run like a 6 or 8 pill, you get full adjustability. 30 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 70 bird average. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 180 PEP. All right, my friend, we'll get it up to you, but I appreciate it very much. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.